give you till you clean it with a wire brush.
That's because it's like asphalt. I mean, yeah.
It's flux core. This stuff
Right.
is much like a roll of toilet paper. The outer shield is
Right.
metal. Everything inside is flux. It's more power. Because the shield on this thing is very thin. If you looked at it under a magnifying glass, you could see that, I mean, the casing on this is really thin. But
Yeah, someday I'm gonna buy the auto darkening. But
Yeah,
that's
that's hard.
yeah, right.
You want to use this, John?
Right.
Put down. Yeah, there you go. Okay. But you gotta let the puddle build up.
Yeah, I'm going to. Yeah, I'm just going too quick.
It's flux core.
Like that?
A little straighter. Gun straighter down at it. There you go.
Sound difference is amazing.
That's argon.
Yeah.